Hi everyone, welcome back to Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into Zengo wallet using your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open Zengo wallet application from your app drawer. The first interface of Zengo will look like this. If you want to skip the tutorial, tap on the skip button at the top right hand corner. You'll need to enter an email address in order to get access to your Zengo wallet account. Go ahead and type in your valid email address and tap the continue button at the bottom. You'll need to now open up your email and verify your account by tapping on open my email. Select the email app you'd like to open and give it a tap. You'll receive a confirmation email from Zengo. Give it a tap to open and tap on this little tap to confirm button in order to get access to your account for Zengo. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Zengo wallet account right from your Android devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.